A quick guys cooking video. It's Christmas Day. We don't have any applesauce bought in, so there's no shops open, even though we're in Texas, which is America for those of you who don't know. And so what I did was I went to the fridge, found a couple of apples, chopped them up, added a little bit of brown sugar, added a little bit of cinnamon, put them in a pan, started heating them up, and now they look absolutely delicious. I'm doing them with the skin on, and I mean, this is just looking great. So maybe we'll be able to show you in a moment the finished products, but this is looking absolutely fantastic. And also, by the way, doing Brussels sprouts to go with our meal. These are in a deep pan, and I used maybe 3 ounces of butter to cook them in, and that's all I've got so far. Later I'll add my secret ingredients that make them even better, but these are the Brussels sprouts, and they'll be browning and getting even better. Delicious!